neighbors know that I'm a girl. So the purple hat helps too. Oh, I don't have any poop bags. These are the best boots for the winter time. Spiky. Oh, good boy. Oh, he thinks I have a ball. Good enough. Okay. Okay, hi. Today is so beautiful and so sunny. It was really nice to get on a walk with the dog. Today is all about cleaning up my life, basically, along with everybody else. Yeah, happy January. Christmas is done and we need to clean up the house. There's just Christmas everywhere and I'm over it. So, I mean, it should be, it's January. So that's the plan today. I also feel like I have a cold coming on, so I really want to get the house clean and organized before this thing comes full swing. We're gonna go as long as we can without me feeling like doo-doo. All right, let's get the BB rolls going and clean up Christmas. I think I'm gonna leave those houses up there. I think that looks cute. And maybe I'll switch out that book up top. Oh, how feels that? This is my childhood. Everyone thinks it's super creepy. I haven't plugged it in yet. These reactions. Oh, it does work. What's this? Alf, what's this? It's not. Oh, I think someone's here. A little creepy, but I love it. This reminds me of my Christmas growing up. Let's see. Alrighty, we have gathered all of the Christmas decor. It is great that it all fits on this table. The only thing I'm not doing is the Christmas tree because the Christmas tree pickup is on Tuesday and today's Thursday or Friday? I actually don't know what day it is. So I feel like there's no point in me taking it all down and then dragging it to the side of the road where it won't get picked up for like 4 or 5 days. So I'm going to just keep it up. And we're just gonna leave it, and then when Brendan gets home from his snowmobiling trip, he can also help me take it out so I don't get needles and dragging it all over the floor. I have all of the boxes ready to go. So one thing that I did this year that has helped me so much is downstairs I've labeled all of our boxes, but with stuff what's in it. It's just so easy. If there's something that I want to grab, I can just look in the little legend here and see what's in it and then grab it from there. Also fill the boxes with my usual decor or stuff we use all year round that I replace with Christmas decor, so like the house doesn't look cluttered. So that's pretty easy and something that I've really enjoyed doing this year versus other years. Like last Christmas, the 26th when we came home, I was like, I need to clean up. But like this year, it's been great. I've enjoyed Christmas a little. So anyway, so that's kind of what I find that's helpful. So like all the stocking stuff and mantle is in that box. So everything that was on the mantle previously is in this box. And then over here, like that's in the kitchen, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, that is my biggest tip, I guess, if you were interested. So I'm gonna take out all this stuff, put it on that table, and then take all this stuff and put it away in the boxes. Also perfect timing, the snow has started. Look at Alfie. We're supposed to get another 5 centimeters by midnight, so I think it's about 4 o'clock now. So I need to hurry up and do this so I can keep up with the shoveling. Oh, Christmas tree stuff, so I'm gonna put this over here. So this is our creepy basement. Everything is labeled and as organized as it can be. The previous owners left a bunch of wood in the basement and Brendan decided to make shelves out of it, which was so genius because this just makes everything look 10 times better or just like organized because we just had boxes on the floor. So it's not aesthetically pleasing, this picture will not be going on Pinterest anytime soon, but it works for us for now and it's great. The Christmas stuff is labeled in the proper bins. I did add a few things because I had to move things around, but mostly it's kind of organized. And then this, I got at HomeSense this year. I think this was $10, but it just fits all of our wrapping paper and boxes and tissue papers and all that jazz. So this is great because I was organizing it with a garbage bag before and it was just not a good time. Christmas candles and then Christmas mugs, like all seasonal mugs and all that stuff go in those two bins. It's just my easy way of keeping it organized. So I'm just waiting for my coffee mugs that are like Christmassy to be run through the dishwasher and then I'll just throw them in there. So we are going to get out of this creepy basement and go upstairs now. And now we're gonna put all of the other stuff away. The normal all year round, well I guess it's not all year round because it's not there for during Christmas, but just our regular decor. I'm gonna put that back. And what time is it? Oh, I thought it was like 4 o'clock. It's 10 to 2. I don't know, I can't even remember what time I thought. Did I turn that light on? I think I said earlier it was like 4:30. Wow, okay, I have so much more left in the day. This never happens, I'm so excited. Anyway, all right, well, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna charge this battery. Maybe I'll read. No, I should probably clean. Okay, well, I'm gonna clean. I'll come back at you when we're cleaning. Alrighty, so I've done a bit of a small clean. I just kind of dusted surfaces and tidied them up a little bit as I was putting our old normal decor on top. This is what it looks like just on a normal basis, which is very bland-ish, I guess. I don't know. I'm trying to say, like, nothing really goes up top there. However, I really don't want to go out buying things when we don't need to. Like, I'm just gonna let it be bland for the next little while. Ignore my vacuum, it's cleaning itself out. But now, because it's not as late as I thought it is, now it's 2:40, which is grand, I'm actually gonna run over to the library. It's about a 15-minute walk. And I don't wanna take him, like actually it's a library, I can't. So I'm gonna do that to renew my library card and then pick up another book to read. It's so bright. Oh, yes. I didn't really like this book. It's called An Unwanted Guest, and I don't know. The back of it, like, it looked really interesting. It was a page turner and like plot twists and all this stuff, so I was excited for a quick read. It was a quick read, but it dragged on forever. This book was like, it had so much potential. It's about people of all different walks of life going to an inn for a small like weekend getaway, and the power goes out, they're in an ice storm, and there is a murder. And then there's another murder, and they're just trying to solve it. They're just like, is it one of the guests who murdered each other? Is it someone trying to come in? Is it the owners of the inn? Like, I had a lot of potential to be really, really good, but it just dragged on for a while and I wasn't. Also, the ending was pretty predictable. I threw it just to make sure I was right, and then we carried on. So it's not the greatest book, so I'm just gonna give it away. Then I'm gonna see what's at the library. I sucked into only buying TikTok recommended books, and I was so disappointed by a lot of them that I was like, this is not how we're gonna go through life, okay? So I'm gonna go to the thrift store, I'm gonna go to the library with no particular books that I want to read in my head. I'm just gonna browse, I'm gonna read the back of things, and whatever I find interesting, I'm going to buy. Or not buy, take out. I can't talk. And I'm gonna drop this off on my way and go from there. But this one's gonna stay home and sleep because he just does everything with me, and this is something you can sit out with. You can have some of your alone time. Anyway, enough chatting. Let's get going. Oh, it's nice when they have food and stuff. Just starting to get a little bit dark now. We back from the bibliothèque. I don't know what that was. It's a bit of a small library, so I thought it was gonna be a bit bigger, but anyway, I'm just gonna cover the actual library. But I grabbed this book. It's actually Canadian, so I'm kind of excited to try that. Basically about a father and a daughter reconnecting. The father lives in Toronto, the daughter lives in Vancouver, and they're gonna reconnect. Parents got a divorce and all that stuff. So I was like, huh, I'll try it. And I stopped at the thrift store. Anyway, it was $9.50. I'm just gonna put you here for a second. But it is a painting of Westminster and Big Ben. I thought it was really cool. So I'm really happy with that. I like the colors. I think it's very pretty. The artist is Klitz. I think that says Klitz. Kind of heavy, that's the only thing. I would hang it up myself, but because it's so heavy, I don't think that's a good idea. Oh, this is... We made it, no dribbies. Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. Today's cleaning day. This is your motivation to clean, I guess. It's taken a bit for me to get to this point. So, grab your tea, cheers, and I got a good podcast going on. So, that's, if you hear that in the background, that's my podcast. Let's rock and roll. All right, recycling pile has been started. Focus. Final touch on everything. It's the salt room spray. I got this at Target. This lasts so much. I do this about once a week. When people come over, I bought this in January. And look at how much I've used. It's been a whole year and I've only used that much. So it is worth the, I think it's like 20 bucks. I'll need to hang up those art pieces. Hey, also, oh my God, I worked up a sweat mopping and I also took the dog for a walk just before I started mopping, so I just feel like I'm just hot. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video. We are majority of the way set for our reset for the new year. So I opened myself a well-deserved poppy. I'm so happy that they're in Canada now. I'm so excited. Only things I didn't do that I wanted to get done, but I just feel like it's too late in the day for me to do is clean out the fridge and clean our appliances. Like I wanted to clean our dishwasher, like deep clean that out, and then our laundry machine, the dryer, and like vacuum all in there. But I think I will save that to do tomorrow. And then another thing I wanted to do was wash our like blankets and pillows and stuff that we have in the living room. Like just like the accent pillows and things like that I was gonna throw in the wash. And then I also wanted to give the dog a bath. I was thinking about giving the dog a bath as I just sprayed down the tub. And I was like, oh, probably should have done this before, but anyway. Or like after giving the dog a bath, but whatever. But I might do that tomorrow. Today's Saturday, so I still have like one more day before getting into my regular routine of like going back to work and blah, blah, blah. So pretty happy with what we got done today. I'm exhausted. I think I said this at the beginning of the video, I feel like I have like this cold that's coming. So I'm happy to use whatever energy I have right now to get that done. And then along with tomorrow, doing all that stuff, I'm gonna meal prep. So I think I'm gonna film that, so stay tuned. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Happy New Year, and let's make this year good. Bye.